I'm no longer in the IT industry. No? My experience UA&P and the IT program has definitely helped our business to get to where it is today. I remember one class back then required us to make a website for a company or corporation, and our group decided to make one for yung family business namin. It was there I realized that yung business namin is really lagging behind in terms of IT and technology, getting websites, emails. So when I joined our business after a brief stint for an IT company in the US, I implemented numerous things, ranging from website, emails to file servers, and the overall network, using a lot of things that I learned through the IT program.